guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is sponsored by Sgile, Sgile. Click the link in our bio to check out this new race car. This race car is a stunt car. Make sure you check out the link in our bio. This car is so cool, guys. Aubrey loved this car. I want you guys to check it out on Amazon. It's one of Amazon's top selling cars, okay? Boys can play with it, girls can play with it, and you can see in this video how cool it is. Check it out, guys. Remember to check it out on Amazon.
Hey guys, on the channel. I'm Aubrey. Hold on. Before we start the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell because you do not want to miss any video. So something just came in the mail. So we're gonna open it and let's see what it is. Let's open this mail. Okay, let's open this mail. I can't wait to open this mail. Woo. I'm so excited to open it, guys. Let's open it. Oh my gosh. My favorite color is red. This is so cool. My favorite thing to ride cars. Look at it. Like, it's so cool, and I love it, and it can do tricks too. I really like this, and make sure you go check it out on Amazon. Okay, guys, so we opened it. All right, so let's see what I have. So we have the remote. This is so cool. And we have the car. And it's so fun. So, let's go play with it outside. Dad, let's go play with it outside right now. Okay, guys, so now we're outside there and let's play with it, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, because you can now and then go check out the link in the bio. Peace, love you.